What kind of firearm or ammunition is recommended for shooting pythons in Florida?
Hey there, fellow outdoor enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing the best firearm and ammunition options for shooting pythons in Florida. As you may know, pythons are an invasive species in the region, and it's crucial to address this issue to protect the local ecosystem. So, let's dive right into it and find out what equipment is recommended for this specific task.
What firearm is recommended?
When it comes to selecting a firearm for shooting pythons, it's essential to consider a few factors. First and foremost, safety should be a top priority. You want a firearm that is powerful enough to take down a python effectively but also manageable and accurate for the shooter. The most commonly recommended firearm for this purpose is a shotgun. Shotguns offer several advantages that make them suitable for python hunting. Their wide shot pattern provides a higher chance of hitting the snake, even if your aim is slightly off. Moreover, shotguns offer significant stopping power, which is crucial when dealing with larger reptiles like pythons. Specifically, a 12-gauge shotgun is a popular choice due to its versatility and availability. It's important to mention that shotguns should be used responsibly and in accordance with local laws and regulations. Always make sure you're using appropriate ammunition and following all safety guidelines.
What ammunition is recommended?
Choosing the right ammunition is just as crucial as selecting the proper firearm. For python hunting, you'll want ammunition that delivers sufficient power and penetration to effectively neutralize the snake. The most commonly used ammunition for shooting pythons is buckshot. Buckshot consists of multiple lead or steel pellets, offering a wider spread when fired from a shotgun. It increases the likelihood of hitting the target and provides the necessary stopping power to take down a python. For python hunting, it is recommended to use heavy or magnum buckshot loads. These loads contain larger pellets and deliver more energy, enhancing their effectiveness against larger reptiles. The exact choice of ammunition may depend on factors such as the range you'll be shooting from, personal preference, and local regulations, so it's important to do thorough research and consult with local experts.
Additional considerations.
While shotguns and buckshot ammunition are commonly recommended, there are some additional considerations to keep in mind when shooting pythons in Florida. 1. Shot placement. Regardless of the firearm and ammunition you choose, shot placement is key. Aim for the snake's head or, if that's not possible, the upper third of its body. This ensures a more effective and humane kill. 2. Safety. Always prioritize safety. Be aware of your surroundings, follow firearm safety protocols, and ensure you have the necessary permits and licenses required for hunting pythons in your area. 3. Local regulations. Before engaging in python hunting, familiarize yourself with the local regulations and guidelines. Different areas may have specific rules regarding firearms, ammunition, and hunting methods, so make sure to comply with all applicable laws. That wraps up our discussion on the best firearm and ammunition for shooting pythons in Florida. Remember, safety and responsible hunting practices should always be at the forefront of your mind. Shotguns, particularly 12-gauge ones, paired with heavy or magnum buckshot loads, are widely considered the most effective options for python hunting. However, make sure to do thorough research, consult local experts, and adhere to all regulations to ensure a successful and ethical python hunting experience. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it